Okay, so hi dear Cancer, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Cancer Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is journal; it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 16th till the 22nd of December, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with, along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Now if you want to like be a tarot card reader like me, you can start like the learning process by purchasing my course. Link is in the description. My website link is in the description. You will be able to find the workshop, the ebook, and my course. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can book from there. Okay, so now let's start. And if you have any queries or any problems, you can mail us on tarotanjali@gmail.com. My team will reply for sure. It will take some time though. Okay, let's see. Cancer, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what's happening. We have the devil. Someone is kind of feeling obsessed with the idea of being with you, or they're literally obsessed with you, or there is some kind of unhealthy kind of energies going on in the situation. Let's clarify the devil here. We have the page of wands, the wheel of fortune, the seven of swords. Wow. This is someone who's continuously lying to you, Cancer, that they just feel like they should be just friends with you, but they're continuously hiding something from you, and they feel like they're going to reveal it to you when when the time is going to be right, that they're obsessed with you, and they feel like having something very serious with you, and they can't just let you go. This is someone who is obsessed with you, obsessed with the idea of being with you, but they feel like they should not reveal too much to you about that, because it's going to create a lot of stressful energies between you guys, and you might reject the idea of being with them, and that is going to hurt them very deeply. So they feel like they should not reveal too much to you, but they're obsessed with you. Yeah, obsessed with the idea of being with you for the rest of their life. My god. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? This could be very much possible that they might be putting on some kind of spell work or something on you to manipulate your energies, so that you are going to run behind them. My god. Strength card, you feel like you should just stay courageous, and you should just stay in your power, and you should not say much about this situation to anybody. Let me clarify the strength. You feel like holding back and remaining in your power. You don't feel like you should reveal too much or express too much or say too much. Yeah, you feel like you should break free from this particular person's energies, and you should just work on yourself, your money, your job, your career, your own self. You feel like sitting in your power, taking the charge of your life in your own hands, and letting go of everything and everyone that is stressing you in any way, and stopping your independence, or putting a threat to your independence in any way. You definitely feel like you should just leave everything and everyone who is kind of trying to stop your growth in any way, and take the charge of your life in your own hands, including this particular person as well. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Cancer? Ace of Cups. Their intention is to open up towards the situation with all of their heart and soul. They want to keep their energies open, keep their heart open in this direction. Let me clarify the Ace of Cups. We have the Three of Swords, the Ace of Swords, the Knight of Pentacles. Yeah. See, this person wants to clear the air with you in some way if you guys had any kind of rift. Yeah. This person wants to clear the air with you in some way if you guys had any kind of rift in the situation in the past. And now with like clearing the air kind of energy, they want to move forward in the situation and make this work out. So definitely, so basically wanting a brand new beginning in this direction, and taking things slow, and wanting to make things stable, make things very reliable, mature, and grounded in the situation for the long term. Somebody wants you for the long term, and somebody is obsessed with you, but the way they're portraying, way they're playing it cool, you might not even recognize this person's energies, who they are. who they truly are. But you can sense it. You're a Cancer. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side? Eight of Swords. You just want to get out of this mental jail. You just want to get out of this trap. Everything or everyone that is kind of trying to trap you in any way, Cancer, you just want to get out of those situations as soon as possible and never look back kind of energy. You don't want to lose your freedom at any cost for anything or anyone. Let's clarify the Eight of Swords. We have the King of Swords, the Two of Cups, and the Judgment. Yeah, you want to remain practical. You want to remain very practical, very, very clear, that you are ready to forgive and forget whatever happened, because you guys had a good history together. You guys had a deep bonding at some point of time, but you just want to let it go. You don't want this person back in your life for relationship, for reconciliation, for coming together, coming back together. No, just want to let it go, forgive and forget, and move ahead and break free from the situation. Remain practical and logical in the situation. Okay. You just want your independence. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 22nd of December, Cancer. Three of Cups. Okay, okay. It's like having a lot of fun and connecting with multiple energies, multiple people, enjoying your life to the fullest. Three of Cups is a card of reconciliation as well. Let's clarify the Three of Cups. It could be very much possible that there is someone around you who is very obsessed with you, even if you are with somebody else. Yeah. Okay. It's going to be continuous thoughts of just give me a second, I was about to sneeze. Right, so I do see you guys being scared of a collaboration, partnership, coming together, coming back together with somebody, even if you guys want to. Physically, I do see two people trying to come together and connect with each other. Energetically, you guys are going to be very, very scared, very much feeling trapped in the situation with each other, still wanting still for some reason connecting with each other and making things, trying to make things work out, even if you guys are going to feel scared, even if you guys are going to feel trapped in the situation. I do see two people coming together and trying to fix something that is kind of not going to be fixed, at least not right now. It's like, till this point, Cancer, you were telling me that I don't want to lose my freedom, I don't want to lose my independence, and then boom, in the outcome you're like, okay, but let me give it a shot. Maybe this situation is not as bad. See, it is not love, it is sympathy that you are showing to somebody. One of you is obsessed with the other person here, and the other person is out of sympathy, out of humanity, you can say. They are trying to be like friends, or they are trying to be connected with somebody, trying to remain connected with somebody, and it's going to end up in a disaster. So don't do that. Don't do that. It's basically right to hurt somebody for good for like one time, than to like make somebody realize, make somebody feel they can have a shot, and then it's going to be a disaster. No, don't do that, honey. Guidance for you, Eight of Pentacles. Yes, put in the effort and energy in this connection only if you feel like this person, this situation, this connection is good for you and meant for you, and you are meant for them. Simple. If you feel this person, this situation, and this whole dynamic, relationship dynamic, is giving you anxiety, stress, and nothing more than feeling like in some kind of jail, then it's high time for you to realize that you and this person is not meant for each other, not good for each other. Simple. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.